How to enable automatic app updates on iPhone or iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on automatic app updates on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app. Now from here, simply scroll down and tap on the App Store to access the settings for app downloads and updates. Now here on the automatic download section, simply find the app updates option with a toggle switch and simply tap on it to toggle it on. And that's it. By doing this, your apps will now update automatically when new versions are available. And that's it. That's how you can enable automatic app updates on your iPhone or iPad. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.